Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Begin by choosing a flat, non-combustible site with at least 3 feet clearance on all sides and no roof overhang. Pour a 4ft by 4ft concrete pad, at least 4 inches thick with a simple rebar grid, or use a pre-cut 18 mm cement board on an existing slab. Gather materials. About 200 fire bricks for the dome and floor, 30 standard bricks for the base, refractory mortar enough for roughly 50 linear feet, and 50 lb of builder's sand for the base layer and insulation. Stack standard bricks to form a hollow base 3 courses high, compacting with mortar and leaving a 2ft by 18-inch rectangular oven opening. Fill the cavity with rubble or insulating material if desired. On top, spread a 1-inch sand bed to level, then trowel a 1-inch clay-based refractory mortar layer and set the fire brick hearth in a herringbone or stretcher bond. Build the dome by laying fire bricks in concentric rings, cutting bricks as needed. Aiming for an inside diameter of about 36 inches, finish the arch and cut a 3 to 4 inch flue or stainless steel chimney at the front of the dome, set slightly backward to promote draft and keep smoke out of the cooking area. Insulate the dome with a 2-inch ceramic fiber blanket or 1-inch vermiculite, and then plaster an additional 2-inch mixed mortar insulation layer for thermal mass retention. Cure the oven slowly over 3 days with staged small fires. Then perform a full burn to about 800 degrees F to fully cure the refractory mortar before baking pizza. Maintain safety gear.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.